All right, so anyway, I put the drone over here and it's kind of pointing at me. So I want to show you how you start a video. All right, so if you notice, you got that big red circle right there. Well, if I want to start videotaping, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here on this little button right here. You see that button right on the right-hand side? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on it. Watch what happens when I press on it. Now it's saying right there that it's videotaping. Now let's say I'm pointing over at the camera. Now let's say I want to stop it. I just come back here and click it again. Watch. And it goes back to that circle. And now let's say I want to move the camera on the drone. Well, right on this side is the gimbal. And if I turn it this way or that way, it changes the attitude of the camera. Now watch. You can see it's going down. Now it's going up. See that? Look up here and there. So that's basically what you've got on the gimbal. And that's how the gimbal works. So that's your camera on your mini drone. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use this thing. Peace out.